Welcome back, everyone. The Sendit application is a very popular Snapchat app that is kind of a tune-on or add-on to Snapchat. And if you're new to it, I'll go and show you a quick demonstration of how to use it. It's nothing crazy. It essentially allows you to go ahead and post things on your story and have people interact with it. So it's kind of like a story maker, but you can play games through Snapchat and all these other crazy things. It's so awesome. Now, I will tell you, if you want to download it, all you have to do is go make your way over to your app store. You want to go and click search and just type in Sendit and then pretty much go through and pretty much do it from there. And you can install the application like that. You can kind of see a preview of what the specific application can do. So now what we want to do is we want to go and open up the app, and all we want to do is go and connect it to Snapchat. So we can go and click let's go. It tells us to open Snapchat. And from here, we can go and open up Snapchat, and you can see basically it'll pretty much tell you a little bit of a breakdown. You want to go and click continue. I would recommend reading that thing through, and I would also recommend kind of, where it says connect to Sendit, understand what you're doing, and then kind of click continue. And that's really pretty much it. And it says send it better. I'm not doing a Bitmoji. And that's pretty much it. Now it should take you back into the main application. And from here, okay, I'm just going to click allow. And at this point, this is where you can go ahead and kind of modify your specific send it little thing. So here you can go ahead and where it says ask me anything, what you can do is you can go ahead and modify this. You can click edit. And if you don't want people to not, ask you anything, if you'd rather people, let's say if you want to change this to ask me whatever, you can go and change it to whatever you want, right? It doesn't matter. Essentially, you want to post these things to your story. You can probably send it to people too. And at this point, you can go ahead and share to your story. So you can click share. And what this will allow you to do is it'll go ahead and bring you that. And what it'll allow you to do is bring that straight into Snapchat. And what you can do here is you can go ahead and make a story as you normally would, right? Whatever. And that video will go ahead and be, and that little option will be there right over your story or whatever you're posting. You can also swipe to the side as normal and add a little filter. But what you can do here is you can go ahead and modify this as well, move that around, make it smaller, make it bigger. And from here, that's pretty much the main thing. And this is pretty much a stick. And from here, what people will be able to see is that if they click on this specific image, it'll basically take them to this link. And here it'll say, ask me whatever. Well, they can go ahead and type in whatever you want. And that's pretty much it. Basically, it's an anonymous way of, people saying whatever they want to say to you. Now there's another thing you can do as well with this specific option. If I go and click X, if I go and hop out and go back here, you can also play games as well. So if you click see games, it says choose your best to whatever, right? So you can go ahead and change this, if you want to change it to send a name for raid or send a whatever, right? Post a pic of whatever. Well, what you can do is you can go ahead and change this to whatever one you want. You can click play. And just like the other option, if I go and click not now, I can open this within Snapchat. And just like the other one, it brings in this specific game. So it's almost like a filter, but it's a game that comes up too. And that's pretty much it. And you can hold it down. You can do whatever you want. And from here, you can go ahead and send it to people. You can go and share your story. And again, it takes you straight into this link as well. And it's choice one, choice two. And it just, it's a great way of interacting with your fans. So that's another way to pretty much do it. And that's a quick introduction to how to use Sendit. It's not a crazy application to use, but it is something that's kind of getting popular, so I'm sure some people want to know how to use it. If you have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.